and the inside zipper is perfect. I'm so happy about that. Yes, so my friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do an unboxing. I don't really know why I call it unboxing, because it's not in a box anymore. Every time I get something, it's generally shipped in a, I don't know, a packaging bag. So maybe we should rephrase that and say unpackaging rather than unboxing. But anyway, today I'm going to unbox this one. There we go again. So let's see. I believe that this, I brought my scissors with me today. I believe this here is a bag that I ordered from, I don't know if I can really say, because I've seen people getting hammered for that, but I can call it the Little Yellow app, or I will put a comment up above. But when you see the bag, and if you want one to find one similar to this or this side of a bag, I will link it in my link tree, which you will find in the bio, with a photo of this bag, so you'll know exactly where you can find it. So let's get with this. It comes in this other bag, and the little dust bag. The dust bag is not so bad after all. It's okay, not the best, but not bad. And here it is. Oh, this is so nice. I didn't really expect it to be this nice, actually. It's a little squashed in the back here. That's just from shipping, because as you see, they ship it in bags. So it's not too hard to move around and shape, because it's actually very soft leather. It seems like leather to me, but it's very pliable and very soft. So let's take these handles off. I really love this style. Then again, I really haven't met a bag that I didn't like. So my friends, they stick to me. Here it is. The handles are perfect. The handles on it are perfect. If you can see how the handles are all made with the stitching and everything, wow, that is perfect. And then it has the logo here, and it has a very beautiful magnetic closure. Let's see what we have inside. Also, the zipper has a logo on it here too. The zipper is perfect. And here's the inside. So it comes with a crossbody strap too. That's nice. Let's check this one. Oh, there you go. So it can be adjusted with some of these here holes for your strap. Can be adjusted to crossbody, or even make it wow, there's lots of little holes all the way up to here, so it would make also a perfect shoulder strap. Instead of it being crossbody like this, you can just wear it over your shoulder. That's the style I really like, and it's very beautiful. There is no logoing on the little clasp. I don't see any, but the make of it is very nice. So you can see all the little clasp holes, buckle holes, I guess is what it's called, buckle holes. And it looks really nice, so that's beautiful. And then it comes with the stuffing. Like I said before, I generally keep that. And then it comes with a little packet of, I believe this is silica, and it keeps the bag from moisture. So it has this little pocket on the inside here, and then on this side has a little zipper pocket, and the brand logo is right here. I don't know if you're able to catch that or not, but there you go. And the inside zipper is perfect. I'm so happy about that. Yes. Sometimes when the bag is new, the zipper takes a little bit of zipping to make it go well. But this one, no problems at all, my friends. This here bag is even more beautiful than I had expected. This is beautiful. I love it. So happy. And I know I say this all the time, but I think I will move my things into this one for today. Why not, right? I love bags, I love new styles, and I love styling them. So my friends, I hope you enjoyed that. And I will also leave, like I said, the link to this in my bio in the link tree for this very particular bag. So you'll see the photo of it, and that will be this one from this seller. And I got it from the Little Yellow app, and I will make a code up here so you will all know where I got it from. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you again here tomorrow for another unboxing, because yesterday I had a lot of parcels delivered. So I hope you like me sharing the information, and if you want, please follow me for more, because I truly appreciate that, and I love you all. Mwah. Ciao everyone, have a great day.
Something special cooking up, got Versace with the bags, and everybody looking cause you know I'm popping tags. New place that I hit up, we in Vegas with my pad, a posse looking good, hottest women that I have, every day so bomb like